Let's go to my friend's house for cubing. Yay! Oh no, Corona. Oh shit, I can't go. If you are in that problem, then I will help you. Let's go. If you are stuck at home and if you want to compete online with your friend without any delay, so I will help you to make arrange online comps or anything else compete with your friend online. So what you have to do, go to your Google and search cubing time, and you get this interface. Click on that. If you want to complete online with your friend, please don't download cubing time app, use this. Then sign in your account there, make an account there. After making an account, you have to go to rooms. After going to rooms, what you have to do is create a room. Click on create a room and name the cube room name. It is Raffle.
And the password is tuber. Tuber. Okay.
And select the event. Next step is write the code. The code is PR.
G and create. Or minimum length should be tuber. 1 2 1 2 and create your account there.
Now what next you have to do after making rooms? Tell your friend to make an account on cubing time, and do what you can do is tell the room name in WhatsApp or everywhere you contact and password. Then what he will do, like he go to rooms and here you see that he will get this dropper and you have asking password, so tell the password. Now you can complete online different without any other tool. I hope you like video. Please like, share, subscribe.